Michael. Anytime I wake up from bed, the very first thing that comes to mind is Profa Tom. This is an example of Profa Tom. Without ginger, without soya bean, we have many more you can choose from. So today I'm going to cook without ginger. The reason why I like without ginger is without ginger contains soya beans, and soya beans is high in protein, decent source of carbs and fat, contains some various minerals and vitamins. That's the more reason why I'm going for without ginger this early morning. Go to the comment section. I will drop the number there. If you want any of these varieties, you can contact them and they will sort you out. Link up to Profa Tom. Okay, so I'm going to prepare my Tom Brown using a very simple steps. Yeah, this is the bowl. I'm going to mix my Tom Brown. Then I have my saucepan on fire. There's water. There's more water in it. Don't forget to put some salt. Heat it very well. Allow it to stand there to settle for some few minutes. My Tom Brown in the water. I'm allowing it to settle before I stir it. I don't want any lumps in my Tom Brown, so I just allow it to settle down below the water. So let's wait for some few minutes. You realize that the Tom Brown has settled under the water. This is saucepan I'm going to prepare my Tom Brown in. I'm going to add a little bit of water, then allow it to heat up for some time while I wait for my Tom Brown to settle below the water. My Tom Brown is really settled below the water. More or less it down. So I'm going to stir to see whether it is uniformly. I'm going to add my Tom Brown to my boiling water. Then I get the end of what I want. Take your time, don't rush. Get there, this is Profa Tom Brown. As you can see, my Profa Tom is ready. The fast is set.